In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Reddit avatar. After creating your Reddit account, you want to customize your Reddit avatar, but you don't know how. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to change your Reddit avatar. It's pretty simple and easy. On your Reddit homepage, navigate to your top right corner where you see your avatar icon and tap on it. As you can see, this is my current avatar. So in order to change it, I have to tap on the avatar. I will land on an interface like this, which is shop. In order to change it, I will navigate to click on edit. So this will bring me to this interface where you could see my current avatar. So if I scroll down, I have a tons of avatar that I can choose to, whether women's soccer or any other avatar that I wanna. In order for me to customize this, I can tweak within these settings. So this is the outfit. In my top, I can proceed to click on the tops. So let me select this one, which is a yellow top, and the bottom, which is the trad that I'm gonna use. I'll pick on this light green. I think this avatar deserves an hair, so let's give it a hair. I'll scroll down and get some nice hair like this, which is down. I think it match between the two. In the face, you can scroll down again and give it an avatar with a spectacle. No, let's change it to the black one. Wow, this is nice. So after you are done tweaking or customizing your avatar, you can proceed to click on save, and you can confirm that again. Now my avatar has been changed to this current avatar. So when I tap on it, you will see my nice looking avatar on Reddit. As I said, it's pretty simple and easy. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider hitting the like button and share it to your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to see many content like this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.